In this video, I will show you how to add video in PowerPoint. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I appreciate it very much. Let's get started. Okay, as a first step, we will open PowerPoint. Then we will go to Insert. Here, we will click on Video, and here we will have three options. This device, stock videos, online videos. First, I will show you how to add online videos. Just click here. And here, we will have an option to add videos. In my case, I will go to YouTube and search for the video I want. Then I will copy the URL up here and paste it here. Insert. And here the video will be added. Now I have to readjust it. I will do it by keeping the click pressed on the corners of the video. Well, in case you want to add a video that you already have on your device, we will do the following. Click on Insert, Video, this device. And here you select the video. And adjust the size to your liking. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Leave me a like if you liked it.